Hey everybody, I'm Tyler and I'm 14, and these are the AYAMAYA aluminum trekking poles. So this one is the bigger size. These are all at their minimum heights. It folds up to be about this small. Okay, and then it's got a strap so you can keep it folded. And they all come with bags like this. And they all have their little accessories in the bag. Okay, to set this up, you pull it like that, and then you'll take this and pull it down, and it straightens it out, and then you pull until this pops out. And then to undo it, push that in.
Hold on. Before you undo it, show us how do you adjust it afterwards. So where do we adjust it?
So it's set up right now. To adjust it, you flick that lever, and then you can pick your height.
Okay.
Okay.
And there's a stop, like a little stop sign there. You don't want to go any farther past that, so go 135 at the most.
Yep.
Perfect.
And 135 works out to be about this tall.
Okay.
In the bags, they come with these. So this is an extra set of feet. It comes with another set of feet, and then an extra set of these bottoms.
And it also comes with the circular ones. I don't know if we have any of those out here right now, but the bigger ones that are like good for snow or for different types of mud. Yeah.
And then it also comes with a sticker for reflectiveness that you can stick on.
So that'd be useful in like an urban type atmosphere if you're doing like trekking on the street. Urban trekking.
So that's the big size. This is the smallest, this is the highest. And then we have the small size. Same setup and everything, it just goes a little smaller.
So good for kids.
Yep, and then over here, just comparing it to the telescoping ones. And then the foldable size is this big. So, as you can see, it packs up a lot smaller.
Cool.
They come with these really nice handles, a moisture wick, and adjustable straps.
Beautiful. We've actually used all of these on both versions on various hikes, and they're fantastic. Really good. I love them, and they've become some of my favorite trekking poles. So awesome. Anything else?
No, great products.
Perfect.
Love them.
AYAMAYA collapsible folding trekking poles. Lightweight, aluminum, super durable. Good job.